Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to network. I'm your host, Spiro Makelane, and I'm with Spiro Motswane, as always.
Hola.
Mnandi.
Number one.
Yizo. Mapuana, let's talk about Samukelo Zwane. Kaizer Chiefs is like they don't need him anymore. They are deciding to loan him again.
Or take him out permanently.
He's
not part of the plans of coach
Hey,
Fernando de Cruz.
Fernando. What's your take, Mfethu?
My man. Unokinsipho. Got the case.
Thank you.
Anyways, please don't forget to subscribe
Yeah.
and comment and give your thumbs up, yabo, or down. Usitshele ukuthi hayi like the content, or maybe kunento ofuna ukuthi simprove kuyo. We'll listen.
Yeah,
Yabo?
definitely.
No, my man, for me it's simple, young John. You bought a midfielder from outside. I've not seen it that much to give a full account, but on some of on Facebook when we posted on 411,
Yeah.
a lot of people are saying 10, 7, the performance that he gave. You know?
Given a very amazing performance.
It was good. I can't say amazing.
Okay,
It was good.
It was good.
You posted also the video here.
Yeah, the guy has confidence on.
Yeah, he has confidence on the ball.
That's one thing we love. And
Hardly loses the ball, and our password, most of them are Pambi.
Pambi.
Yeah, so, but Samukelo Zwane is young also.
Yeah, true.
He could be mentored.
Yeah,
Lesingeke simphelele inhliziyo.
true.
I need to Tabocele, which we'll talk about it. Let's finish about this thing. I need you are releasing players. This guy is a midfielder also. Why not keep him? On the issue of you're having so many injuries.
True.
So the injuries are many, you understand? Bradley Cross was taken out on a stretcher. He was. You could see that there's an injury. But what I'm looking for in a midfielder or in a forward who is playing in the middle field, I'm looking for somebody who's going to get box entries. I'm looking for somebody who's going to shoot mabangena ngaphakathi boxing, because the more you shoot, the better chances you're having of scoring. And when you look at the legends, the people that played for Chiefs, Abo Mdogishi, Abo Dr. Kumar, Abo Tiki Thabo Monkey, we can go to the recent ones, Abo Siphiwe Tshabalala, Abo Leland Sulonyane, Abo Pule, Junior Kanye. You see, one thing that made them to be who they were, first of all, they did not have uvalo, banganavalo. They respected the badge, but banganalo uvalo. Babangena ngaphakathi boxing, they tried to shoot. I've not seen Lebogang Maboy do that. I've not seen Tabocele do that. I've not seen Ox Mthethwa do that. The only one was Amung box entry, Undrove. Although he does not score that much, but he tries to get the boxing kancane. So I want them to. Samukelo Zwane, what I needed from him, ntwana bengidinga ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi kwebox, ucela uthi into ucela uOx or ucela uLebogang Maboy modlala naye mfethu, ngicela ugada imali yethu. Mina khona manje I just want to go inside and shoot at least 5 times, even if you are supposed to play as a defensive midfielder, but take responsibility. I don't think the old man will say no ungayi. Uzogadela imali yakhe then mhlawumbe mawubonile ukuthi ungene kayi 4-5 nyana uyabuya ke so gada imali wena, you go back to your primary job. But that's the only way that you can get recognized with these coaches. If you go to loan right now in Durban City and still you don't perform and still you don't get game time, that means you might not come back to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, definitely.
What's your take? I know you like this boy.
But I really like this boy. This boy personally, I think is better than Mthethwa. Mthethwa Nagangin on the boxes and stuff like that. But I think personally, I think I would have renewed his contract in him chance.
Yeah, he does have a contract with Chiefs.
No, I'm saying I would have not loaned him out. I would have given him a chance. If not, ngamdlalisi between 6 and 8. But personally, I was gonna give him an 8 than him guy 6 because of which is 6. I can give it to my boy, young John. Then give him an 8 just to build the confidence, because of everything is all about the confidence, my boy.
What about the new player, the one that you signed?
That boy, man.
That's why
Adolf.
For me, I think Adolf needs to be there allow Adolf to be the senior player adlale, give him more game times. Mara ungamsapa mhlambe ngoma 70 something ngitho. Umfana also there's cup games, there's a long season ahead. Ungamfaka kuma confed amanye ama game obona ngathi awekho nzima kakhulu. Faka kuma Nedbank Cup badlala nama team ku NFT or whatever. For me he could still play, could still offer something, but he's not part of the coach's plans. He's part of your plans and my plans. Mari, you are not the coach.
Man, but that's the sad story.
Yeah.
So Mapiwana, another sad story. It's the coach saying they do not have plans for Thabo Cele. So your what do
The
you
same
think?
applies for Thabo Cele with Samkelo Zwane. Thabo Cele uyadlala ibhola, knows how to recycle the ball, move the ball sideways, some few forward passes there and there. Hardly loses the ball because he plays a little bit too safe for my liking. You need to remember that Thabo Cele is the group with Abo Mokoena, where Sundowns, where they played in the Olympics. So he is properly developed.
Yeah.
But there was a rumor that he's injured until there was a tournament Dekas, where I think it's his tournament. Wangena Amakwal wakala wakupuka from there. Amakwal wakhe ne Chiefs.
Yeah.
I mean, my man, come on. Now Thabo Cele, come on. You're a professional soccer player.
True.
You're supposed to think, what if this guy's injure me?
True.
Even the management itself, why don't you just find this boy? Find this boy, pay a boy. You're not supposed to play there. We're going to fine you 40,000, 30,000 for 2 months. True. Like now, to say you want to terminate this contract is not part of the... When did Fernando de Cruz have time to see him that much? It tells you that this guy is a bad boy.
True.
And now since he's a bad boy, we don't want him. He's going to contaminate your dressing room. Okay, no problem. I'll agree. Then he said, no, it's not part of my plans.
Yeah, man, it's one of the most saddest things is that majority of the players who are being released is Fernando de Cruz did not have a chance to be able to tell because if you can't say ubono muntu ukuthi while sise training is something else compared to modlalo mesh, you know, because of a training you can try and give that, because of some other people abanye futhi they're good in training but when they have to go bayadlala outside they become bad. So
it's like you playing for Durban City. It's like a training. Akunama fan empty. Then you have to come to Kaizer Chiefs. Now it's heavy. I mean, for take nothing away from this boy who came, Asana level by Partman. Take nothing away from him. He's very good, but I've not seen his good level ku Kaizer Chiefs yet.
True.
Lantwana bathi ayishaya ipala. Lantwana I met Figo. Olinda. He's a very nice guy. Very nice guy. When I asked him, who is your personal good player? He said Partman. As a soccer player, former soccer player, because he just recently retired. But that tells you how good this boy is. But me, I have not seen him do what he does or let the guys who Cape Town City who Kaizer Chiefs.
So is he playing his position, or are they, because of sometimes what these people do is that the formation the position le actually kuyidlala they sometimes shift them, but I play this position.
Andali mari ngicela ukwenza example awudlala iposition yakho udlala nabantu lapha niyakhuluma ntwana ngikayi kancane ngisondele eboxini. I want to take some shots. Sometimes you take responsibility. Ubulala umuntu, ubulala indoda, touch a shot, ubhekana nepala, you take a shot. But if you don't take the shot, if you don't buy the ticket, you can't win the raffle. So buy the ticket and win the raffle by subscribing. Because if you subscribe, you might win. As we are going to announce a new competition.
Yeah, definitely.
Obviously, our winner, congratulations to him. And we'll be giving more competitions to come.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This is Kaizer Chiefs.
Love and peace.
Tango.